This video will show you how to use Wrapstream.org. Now, Wrapstream is a community based on Protoweb software. No, not a software, a website. I mean, it also works with Retrozilla Protoweb Edition, which you can use it to browse through it. But it has specific restrictions and mandatory requirements, which people often find it too difficult to comply, especially those who are inexperienced like I am, because I edit my YouTube video description with the hash Wrapstream, then it still cannot accept a video on the service. That's why I needed to do another manual configuration to make it order to work, and that's why. But without further ado, let's begin. First, I have to thank you all for watching my channel, and remember to like and share and subscribe, and like and click on the bell icon. Then share the video with your family and your friends, whichever you are in touch and connected with, whichever you are, whichever you can, whichever you love. Share this video with them, that they can know how they follow from this video to use the service as well while following this tutorial. Now, let's begin. First, I'll go to my Word document. This is the address and the port. Next, I'll go to, I already know the address and the port, just no need to memorize that. Next, I'll go to Internet Explorer, and here click on Tools, Internet Options, Connections, click on LAN Settings. If you have a dial-up, this will not work because I'm making this video for LAN only based PCs. Type in the address and the port as well. Protoweb.org. Next, in the port, you'll type in the port, which is 7851. Checkmark. Bypass public server for local addresses. Click on OK, and it's done. Close your Internet Explorer web browser, then launch it from your desktop, and it's done. It's loading right now. First, go to the search bar. Do not use the MSN's search bar because it will match irrelevant results. That's why I should use the address bar, the normal standard browser address bar, this one. Then type in the following URL to access Wrapstream. You also need to type in the HTTP colon before for blah 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 for this to run. I feel like it's not going to run without that, but it should run in most cases, but I prefer to type in the HTTP colon blah 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 first. Do not type in .net or .com because most people will accidentally type in .net or .com instead of the .org because I feel like Wrapstream had its .net built into it, but I think that they changed the domain to .org. That's why they, and even the .com has changed as well. They keep on changing their internet styles and etc. Press enter. I need to go to the inode gateway. Hit enter. Then in the inode gateway, you'll scroll down. Then you'll find the Wrapstream. Remember, this is for YouTube like experience, the older experience, not the newer one. But the major problem is that the Wrapstream does not support over 10 minutes upload of videos, and especially for those who do not have a valid hashtag with a Wrapstream word next to it. It does not accept that. You will need to do extension modifications even if you put it the hashtag Wrapstream wording to your video description on YouTube Studio, then you saved it. That's not how it works. You need to modify extensively, even if it's easy to modify, which is difficult to run. Okay, that's why you need to bear in mind that before you commit to, you still commit and insist to run the service. This service I'm talking about. In the Wrapstream. Next, I've currently logged on here. Next, you can manage your history. Cannot display the page. Click on upload. This only works. This is the only feature that works. Scroll down, then you'll find the video URL. I'll go to start, and then a WordPad. This is the URL which I'm going to copy. This is the URL which I use to modify a video. This is the updated URL which has the video with the Wrapstream hashtag on it. Copy it, then I'll paste it onto this here. Submit video. Video rejected. The video does not contain Wrapstream hashtag blah blah blah. This problem can occur from incorrect video uploads, I think. No, not the uploads itself, but not the uploads, only the description errors which I made, even if I try to modify the description on the YouTube Studio. Next, when you're done, you will be able to upload the videos to Wrapstream, and that is how it works. You can see we have fresh videos. We have Jagotex Best of 2025, and we have Happy New Year, Storming Outages, Fucking NC, What's a Huge Problem, X1 Wonders, from Bootleg, etc. etc. These can be available on here. We also have a scrolling marquee text. If we go to playlist, you can see here it features videos for kids and other funny videos, blah blah blah, etc etc. And results per page 5, 10, 25, 50. Set please, use the search bar, then you will type in Microsoft. Microsoft is a playlist that I'm going to type in. Set playlist. Oh no, there's no Microsoft page. I'll go back to the home, then I'll try title like Windows XP. Windows XP, that's the title. Windows XP in Mac OS X. Where's Windows XP? Next, you will be able to these are the videos which you can find. I think that they also modified the YouTube video title. No, not the title, the date to upload these, but this is not as foundable. But anyways, you can edit your settings in Wrapstream. Media player, Flash Player 2005. You can use Windows Media Player. Share video comments, yes, no. You can modify all of these icons. New Millennium, default, site team, 2007 tabs, beta, dark mode, default. Next, you will go to craft a full screen. We're going to use to confirm to flop screen, modem, 56K/S, dial-up connection, ISDN, DSL, cable, etc. I'll select my Windows Media Player. Then I'll save the settings. Next, settings saved successfully. Then, despite my difficulties of actually running the service of uploading videos, you can upload any video you like. That's entirely up to you. But remember that you should decrease or split your video to smaller chunks to make the service accept your videos. Even if you have all of your videos with hashtag Wrapstream added, it cannot be the permanent accommodation. You have to do this every editings every day, which update the video. It was not easy for us to do, and but despite the issues and the not as viewable experience, you can use Wrapstream for any you like. I'll reset my own settings to back to the default none. Then, and that is how the video works, and that is how to use Wrapstream.